Hey, Taylor, what's up? So I'm going to try to fly through this. I've been having the worst time trying to get this video made and boil it down. It's not that complicated, but I digress. Let's go. So in the code base, we have here um, a little document, a little directory called docs. There's a document called user guide, and that will allow you to spin this server up. I've got the instructions from start to finish. So it's really easy. It's npm run dev, and then there's a Docker container that needs to be spun up as well. And that needs to be done from the graffiti directory, which is the knowledge graph. So you'll find most of your agent logic here in library. The agent core is the main brain of the agent. It's a lot of tools, even some servers. And then at the bottom, you're going to get some system instruction context. Then all these files are mostly tools. And let's see, these repositories are different things I cloned in because I needed little pieces of the code for little parts. Excuse me. Okay, so we've got task data directory right there. That's kind of like our database. We've already got a lot of tasks being saved, not so many conversations. We've got a change log for skills because we've got meta skills. So skills that create skills based on your usage patterns. So that's really interesting stuff. Okay, very cool. Let's hop on over to the front end. And the landing page is just some light instructions. The dashboard contains a lot more stuff. It is all read only, though. It is not a dashboard for engaging except for the simulator. A little overview, tasks, skills. Skills is very interesting. I made all these custom for you. I've got these three already deployed, and then I'm closing in on these other ones. So like a people memory, a morning briefing call, time estimation learner, someday promoter. So someday task, like long-term stuff. Yeah, lots of different interesting things, and we can customize this to infinity. We have a read-only view of the files. We've got logs. These logs are amazing. I'm very happy with them. Okay, here we go. Down here, we've got super intricate logs, tool calls, skills loaded, errors, context built. Everything should be in here. Milliseconds, how many LLM calls, tool calls, and tokens. So this should be pretty interesting. Context, I'm not sure what I'm doing here quite yet. And memory. We do have a temporal knowledge graph. So as you're dialoguing with this thing and engaging with it, it's going to be saving memories in this, as well as your GitHub database. And this is going to allow it to pull up certain kinds of knowledge and memories like really fast in milliseconds. So the graphics are a little goofy right now. I'm struggling with them, but the logic is sound. So like we've got a user which has a task to record a video for it later. Vibe planning provides support via email to this email address. So it's just going to get bigger and more intricate as time goes on. We've got recent facts down here that are being added. And onto the simulator. Here we can email testing features. So let's just grab some, let's grab something. Let's grab our environmental local. Can all these environmental variables. I need you to get these variables securely to Taylor. Okay, so this is exactly the same thing that would happen if you were to email this, and the same with the text messaging, which is a little different as well. We're gonna just sit back and wait for a moment here. I'll go ahead and pull up Vappy. So this is the other way you can engage with it, is through a phone call. It can send or receive. We have got it a phone number here, 918-618-9189. Pretty good phone number. We designed an agent for it, Riley. These are his system instructions, which are just for demonstrating. The system instructions will be in the GitHub repository, and they're way more intricate. This is just something quick to demonstrate. Here in phone numbers, you will scroll down to the bottom, enter the phone number you want it to call, select Riley or whoever agent, and make the call. Okay. Pretty cool.
Started. Good morning, Taylor.
Yeah, ready to go. What's the first thing on the agenda today?
You've got 6 tasks today. Top priority is reviewing the marketing deck. It's due by 3. You've also got a quick sync.
Yeah, go ahead and run me through that entire project. What's going on with that again?
Sure thing. You've got to review the slides is consistent. It's due by end of day tomorrow. Want to focus on the data part first?
No, what kind of tech stack do you think I should use to do that? I know there's a lot of cutting edge, like presentation or slide tools lately. Any recommendations?
I'm not built for tech stack advice, but sticking with something like PowerPoint or Google Slides is solid for collaboration. Do you explore new tools later?
No, I've got to run right now. Thank you. Okay, so that can go on and on. You can refine it, make it much better, give it tools and skills. Claude SDK is going to rule through this platform. Okay. Let's go check back with our response. So secure setup note created. I've created a setup guide for Taylor since I can't store the actual API keys in the repository. Check the setup, blah, 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 blah. Create a little blah, 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 blah. Okay. So it could be improved. Logs are on point though. SMS, that's a lot easier. A little bit quicker too. The 30s, I've seen it. It's been about like 59,000 milliseconds. Okay, so I think that's about it. Yeah, dashboard memory, skills. There's a lot to explore here. Tools, okay. So, I hope you enjoy playing around with this. Just stick with the user guide, and I think you got it from there.